Popular battle royale game PUBG Mobile is among 118 additional Chinese apps banned by the government in India after fresh tensions in Ladakh. The IT Ministry said that the apps have been banned under Section 69A of the IT Act for engaging in activities which is prejudicial to the sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of state and public order. The ministry said that it acted upon several complaints and reports about some apps stealing and surreptitiously transmitting users' data in an unauthorized manner to servers which have locations outside India.
Apple has started rolling out the iOS 13.7 update, adding support for a new exposure notification system for powering COVID-19 tracking. The new system, built jointly with Google, will allow public health officials to track contact tracing without the need of developing and maintaining dedicated applications. But for that, public health authorities first need to opt in to Exposure Notifications Express. Once the configuration is done, the file will generate a custom Android app, while in iOS, the settings will be incorporated into its OS-level contact system. Twitter has announced that it is adding pinned tweets and descriptions on trends to help explain why something is trending on the microblogging platform. This will help users gain more clarity why interest for a particular topic is surging without having to wade through a stream of tweets. The company said pinned tweets will be chosen by its algorithms and Twitter's human curators, the latter of which would also add brief descriptions to some of its trending topics. Pinned tweets are rolling out to iOS and Android apps in India and elsewhere, while the support for Twitter.com and descriptions will be arriving in the coming weeks. Xiaomi has launched the Redmi 9A in India after announcing it globally in June. The affordable smartphone features a 6.53-inch HD+ IPS LCD display with a water drop notch. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio G25 chipset paired with up to 3GB RAM and 32GB of expandable storage. There's a single 13-megapixel shooter at the back and an LED flash, as well as a 5-megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone boots MIUI 12-based Android 10 OS and comes with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 10-watt charging. The Redmi 9A costs 6,799 rupees for the base 2GB 32GB variant and will go on sale from September 4th via Amazon and Me.com.
Samsung has announced its latest affordable tablet, the Galaxy Tab A7. It comes with a 10.4-inch TFT display with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels and is powered by an unspecified octa-core CPU coupled with 3GB RAM and up to 64GB storage. There's an 8MP single rear camera, a 5MP selfie snapper, and a 7040 mAh battery that charges via USB-C port. The Galaxy Tab A7 runs on Android 10 and gets a quad speaker setup with support for Dolby Atmos. The pricing and availability hasn't been revealed yet. Sennheiser has introduced a lower-cost set of true wireless earbuds, the CX400BT. They feature the same 7mm dynamic drivers as the Momentum True Wireless 2, but lose out on active noise cancellation. The CX400BT has customizable touch controls and also allows users to tune the sound via an EQ inside the company's Smart Control app. They feature Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity and support advanced audio codecs such as AAC and aptX, in addition to SBC. The company says the earbuds pack up to 7 hours of battery life, with another 20 hours in the included charging case. The CX400BT will be available from September 15th for €199 in select markets, but Indian availability hasn't been announced yet.
Amazon has officially gotten permission from the US Federal Aviation Administration to begin operating commercial trials for its Amazon Prime Air aerial drone delivery service. The e-commerce giant will use its next-generation hybrid drone that was unveiled last year, but hasn't revealed when it will begin commercial delivery trials. Amazon has been testing its drone service in certain regions, including in the UK, but a commercial service is yet to roll out. It's worth noting that the FAA is yet to define regulations for the drones beyond the trial phase.
Video game publisher Ubisoft is offering Tom Clancys Division for free via its Uplay digital distribution service that is also free to download and use until September 7th. The open-world action RPG was first released in 2016 and allows players to specialize, modify and level up your gear, weapons and skills as sleeper agents try to save a virus-hit New York City. Notably, PC gamers only get the base game for free, with Ubisoft currently offering a 67% discount on the Season Pass.